Hey guys, I'm sure some of you have realized that I've changed my channel name from Curative Visuals to Coomchan. Now there's a good reason behind this. When I made this channel, the initial plan was to use it to, share with you tips and advice on camera gear, behind the scenes, all that stuff. But really what I ended up using the channel for was just promoting commercial content, sharing, different wedding videos and stuff that I've made. But really that's not what I wanted to use the channel for. So what I've decided to do is just rebrand to Coomchan because that's my own, brand name. And it's the same name that I use for my Instagram hashtag or Instagram handle. So I guess I do want to take more seriously the behind the scenes stuff, a lot more FPV content, and also just sharing with you guys some stuff that I know about camera gear and video gear, and really just all that, that whole area. And also, I'm also a pretty big car guy, so there'll be some car content on here. So what I'm trying to basically say is this rebranded channel will be more personal, it'll be more engaging, a little bit more interesting, and I really just want to see where I can take this channel and grow it and really develop a community around, the same interests as what I'm sharing. So hopefully that sort of helps you guys understand a little bit about why I changed my channel name. But yeah, just keep an eye on this channel and pretty excited to share with you guys some really cool stuff coming up. Cheers.